Excellencies, distinguished colleagues, on behalf of Indonesia, I am deeply honored and grateful for the trust placed in me as the 20th President of the Human Rights Council, which I take up both with pride and with humility. My sincere appreciation goes first to the Asia-Pacific Group, to which Indonesia belongs, for its nomination, and to the Council as a whole for its endorsement this morning. Indonesia has been a strong supporter of the Human Rights Council since its inception, and prior to that, of the Human Rights Commission. We have served multiple times as member and have consistently sought to act in a constructive manner and a bridge builder. Our decision to step forward is rooted in our 1945 Constitution, and that aligns with the purposes and principles of the UN Charter, which mandates Indonesia to contribute to world peace based on independence, peace, and social justice. This mandate was also reaffirmed by the President of the Republic of Indonesia, President Prabowo Subianto, at the plenary of the 80th session of the UNGA, stating, "We must stand for multilateral order where peace, prosperity, and progress are not the privilege of a few, but the right of all." Excellencies, distinguished colleagues, I am committed to carrying out this responsibility in full respect of the principles and integrity of the Council. As we mark the Council's 20th anniversary, I reflected on its history as an important guide for charting our path forward. From the Council's establishment, despite differing views, Member States set aside divisions in recognition of the Council's promise to promote universal respect for the protection of all human rights. Important achievements have since been made. Not least is the Council's ability to deliberate and emerge united while bridging differences. We believe in and are fully committed to, like all of you, Human Rights Council members, to the core principles of universality, objectivity, and non-selectivity in the consideration of human rights issues, treating all human rights, including the right of development, in a fair and equal manner. Excellencies, distinguished colleagues, guided by the theme of Presidency for All,